What do you care about most when choosing a factory?
Hello, boss. Today we are visiting a factory in China. There are thousands of steel pipe factories in China, and that means plenty of choice, but also really decision to make. Each project comes with different specs, standards, and deadlines. So buyers need more than just a supplier. They need a partner who understands the job. And this Chinese factory, you might be surprised how professional they are. It's a huge factory over 66 hectares, with more than 14 production lines running daily. Annual output over 2.6 million tons. There's no cutting corners here, no low-grade materials. Instead, you will see automated welding, inline quality checks, satisfactions like API, CE, and GOST, all in place. A good factory always works for the best. That's the real value it's bringing to your projects. At HUAYANG, we stand by the promise. Every order, every time. Welcome to HUAYANG. Let's build something better together.